let's unbox everything I got from Temu. So the first thing I ordered was this self-adhesive marble wallpaper. Now, I bought it to cover up a section of my house, especially in the kitchen. And I would say I'm not disappointed. The only thing is that it's not as shiny as I expected it will be. I also got this one, but I did not realize that it would be this different. I guess I didn't pay attention to the measurement, but then it's fine. I'll find a way to make use of it. The other thing I got is this Pampers decor flower. So I bought it not being sure what to expect, but I would say I'm not disappointed. It's above my expectation and it's nice. This particular light, I also want to use it in the kitchen. So this is the switch behind it, though you need to charge it. It's rechargeable. Now you put it on like this is what it looks like. This is another one. I think it has 2 or 3 light settings. And there's something I also love that I got. It's a portable juicer. I think I'm loving it. I can't remember how much, but it looks really nice. I just hope that it serves me and I'm not left disappointed. So this is the cover. Well, I'll try it and I'll make sure to show you people what it looks like. I got another light too. Let's see what this one looks like. This is the packaging. It has its own charger as well. I have a feeling I'm going to like this better than the other one. This is what it looks like. So it has 2 light spots. It has the gum by this side. It has the small charger as well. So let's just try to figure out how to put this on. Oh, that's nice. You can see what it looks like. I don't know if you can see this. Can you see that? This is nice. I wish I got more, but I only got one. But it's fine. So far, I don't regret all my purchases. I was praying not to be disappointed because I've been seeing so many reviews. Bad reviews especially. I saw some good ones as well. So Temu, I'm not disappointed. This is a toothbrush holder. I'm only going to give a positive review if it adheres well enough and if it doesn't fall off the toilet wall. I got something for popsicles and honestly I wasn't expecting this size. It looks smaller than I expected, way smaller than I expected. It's not bad, but I was expecting that it would be bigger, but it looks small. I don't think it's bad. Popsicles, set of wristwatch. I think it's a 2-in-1. Let's see. Let's just see what it looks like. Comes with 2 bracelets, black and white. Ooh, nice. It's a 2-in-1. It doesn't look bad. So it's black and white. I can choose to use the black or white. So another thing I got, this coffee recipe where you beat your coffee with water and sugar and it foams and you're able to add, you know what I'm talking about. So this is it. Oh, okay. Another thing I ordered is this acrylic home sticker. Well, I guess you just put this on your wall, HOME. So it looks a bit smaller than I expected. It looks smaller than I expected, but well, it should be fine. And this is another thing. I got it just for, I think, my kitchen as well. It's something you use for your floor or wall tiles. So instead of the normal white or black cement that that goes in between your tiles, you just stick this golden tape on it just to cover the old look and renew the tile. So I'm going to be exploring this. I think it looks nice. I can't believe this. You people need to see what this looks like on the website. Did I get something wrong? I thought it was going to be breakable, like, hey God, I can't believe this. I know I'm going to see 2 beautiful Can you be Temu? Why? Oh my God, this is not real. Oh my God, I wasn't expecting this. Please, how does it look? What am I going to do with this? I thought I was going to get something ceramic or breakable. I don't know how to explain it, with shiny gold. Maybe my expectations were too high, but well, I'll make do with it. This is another thing I got. These cute bowls. I hope I'm going to love them, but I know I can use them when I'm cooking. I can put my spices in them, mayonnaise, salt, whatever. I can put everything in them. So, well, this is fine. I knew it was going to be this size when I ordered it. Another thing I got, let's see what's here. I think it's a wristwatch. Okay. Okay, that's everything. So this is it. Another black wristwatch. I don't know why I got three different wristwatches from Temu, but this one looks different because it has the earrings, it has the pendant, it has the chain as well. I'm not sure if it has a ring, but I think this is nice. You can combine them. Not disappointed. We'll try it and see. I just hope it doesn't fade. I also got a soap dish. The unique thing about this particular soap dish is that once you're done using your soap and you drop it here, the excess water drains off. So that was the reason why I got this soap dish. Then I've always wanted to have this two-way adhesive tape, such that if I put it maybe on my frame, photo frame for instance, I can also glue the other side to the wall. So I love this instead of using nails and all those things that will spoil your walls. Okay, I think this is nice. I've always wanted to get one of these. It's an oil spray, but other than oil, I guess you can put anything of your choice. I like this, it's not bad. So guys, let me know what you think. So far, this is everything I got from Temu. And out of everything, the only one I'm disappointed in is this. I wasn't expecting this, honestly. I wasn't expecting this. But I think overall, it's a win. I think it's fine. So guys, till I see you in my next video. Thank you.